The best thing about Code Ninjas is we teach kids how to code through building video games. Children have a natural affinity for video games, so we're not manufacturing an interest. We're just providing a place where they can interact with children with similar interests, and they learn how to think programmatically. They're going to walk into our dojo, which is our game development room, see friendly faces. They're going to sit down, log on a computer, and then start building in whatever belt that they're on.
It's simple, just drive to a place and then now you just know how to code.
Technology is only growing and expanding. So STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, anything in those fields, we know that there's always going to be a job that supports it.
When my wife and I found Code Ninjas, we instantly thought that is a perfect stepping stone to be able to give him these tools that he'll be able to use in his life.
I think it's important for children to learn how to code, because beyond learning how to code, they're learning how to think.
To me, I think it's kind of like the building blocks of structured problem solving.
That will take them anywhere they want to go. Our game-based curriculum is phenomenal, and it's unique because it's a 9-belt curriculum. Similar to martial arts, they start at a beginner level or a white belt, and then they're going to transition through building games. Each of those games teaches them concepts.
He looks forward to coming in, going through the steps, and knowing that he's going to achieve the next level.
They're going to learn a series of different languages, JavaScript, Lua, C#, and they're going to advance to black belt, where they're going to produce their own app. And while our program is self-paced, it's not self-taught. So all along the way, they have senseis to help them. One of the things that parents love most about Code Ninjas is the flexibility that it offers families.
My favorite part is I get an hour or two to myself.
So families can come in any 2 days that fit their schedule. It doesn't always have to be the same 2 days of the week. It doesn't always have to be the same time. So it can fit into a family's schedule at their leisure. We have a lot of other programs. We have Parents' Night Out, we offer summer camps, we even do day camps and birthday parties. So there's always something fun happening here at Code Ninjas. I think a parent should send their child to Code Ninjas because they want their child to explore different opportunities. We want our children to find what they're passionate about, and when children come to Code Ninjas, they really enjoy being here.
Cece enjoys coming here for the camaraderie. She likes interacting with the senseis. After dinner, I was like, Mommy, can we go? Can we go, Mommy? Is it time? I'm like, I have my wristbands.
And it warms our heart to see the excitement on their faces.
You can also make stuff like a propeller, you could make a car, you could make all kinds of stuff.
I love coming here. One of my favorite things to do.
And to know that we're positively impacting children and their futures, that's all we can hope for, is to be able to prepare children for tomorrow, for their future. Code Ninjas. Kids have fun, parents see results.